We build our world. Before we begin, let me ask, what do people consider a done deal? Well, most people consider a done deal as something with a predictable outcome of near certainty. Another way to say this, a situation, like a template, where A leads to B. What if somebody developed a reliable method to steer a chosen dream future into a done deal? How do we learn this method to find out exactly how we can apply this in our life? Welcome to Better World Zone, where we provide valuable explanations of methodologies and activities that all of us can complete to move us toward the life we desire, individually and as a community. In this valuable lesson, we identify the done deal principles, formerly known as the D.O.N.E method. And we made this video because although most people understand each word in the acronym, few people use it successfully. Why? Because without our additional explanation here, very few recognize the additional details which we develop to complete the exercises in the most effective ways in order to experience the desired changes. So, in this lesson, we explore specific examples of how we integrate these separate and distinct concepts into our thoughts and into our actions in ways which help to merge our desired future with our outer world. How can each of us harness this knowledge to attract more wealth into our life? The focus of our efforts involves aligning our inner and outer energies into a more coherent trajectory. Ensure to take mental notes while watching this entire video, because we delve deeply into how we can restructure our baseline subconscious thought forms into a powerful force which results in a more abundant life experience. Again, welcome to Better World Zone, where we build our world. In this lesson, we delve into important details of a method which amplifies our power to rescript our subconscious paradigms into thought forms of our choosing. And this accelerates our trajectory towards our dream. What method? The D.O.N.E method. Here at Better World Zone, we show exactly how our best thoughts and our best actions build our best world. In fact, in the not-too-distant future, we'll reveal exactly what we use these techniques to build, something that previously nearly everyone claimed as impossible. So, subscribe now to start to experience life as part of our best world. Now, let's explore specific details of the D.O.N.E method. D.O.N.E exists as an acronym with letters representing describe, observe, normalize, and expect. But understanding the definitions of each unlocks the key to using the D.O.N.E method successfully. So let's get into the definitions. The D.O.N.E method. D. Describe. Describe recognizable details of our goal, our dream. Money. How much? General time frame, general source or sources, etc. O. Observe. Observe oneself as the central figure in a movie at the time point when we experience our dream or goal. Look outward through our own eyes at a specific future time point. N. Normalize. What does it feel like when our dream or goal becomes our new normal way of life? How does our behavior change? What activities now occupy our time after we achieve our goal or start to live our dream? Project our awareness to the point when it feels normal, so that we start to feel it as normal today. Also, things start to feel normal as we grow increasingly familiar. E. Expect. Expect that we found a way to live our dream. Just as we start to feel something as normal due to familiarity, we start to expect causality of things which we know. We carry this from our knowledge, a result of familiarity. We know that A leads to B. When we add sugar to a food, we expect to taste a sugary flavor. When we mix specific ingredients together, we produce consistent results, dishes, flavors. So too, when daily we continue the cognitive, audio, and tactile exercises that Better World Zone teaches, then we can expect that over time, eventually we will overwrite subconscious self-sabotage behaviors with success-supporting paradigms and behaviors. And we can expect success in this if we persist sufficiently long enough, because science proved that these activities work when used in complementary fashions, in the ways taught here at Better World Zone. we can conclude each of our daily sessions with, "I expect my dream," or something better. It's a done deal. Now, let's proceed to some specific details about our proven technique to increase effectiveness of the D.O.N.E method. Enlist the help of a mirror. One of the easiest methods for each of us to bypass the majority of subconscious resistance to rewriting old paradigms involves normalizing new feelings of abundance as we stand in front of a mirror. Why? Because when we peer into the reflection of our own eyes looking back at us in a mirror, we look directly into our own subconscious awareness. Leverage this tremendous knowledge because a mirror enables us greater ease to grow our thought forms of intentions ever stronger. Declaratory statements starting with, "It's time for me to," and "I expect," while looking into our own eyes in a mirror, get the attention of our subconscious in a way that few other things can directly, immediately, and with very clear focus. This valuable activity minimizes internal resistance to creating a new normal, where we perceive it as expected and normal for us to live in abundance of money, wealth, or other dreams, because the eidetic memory of our subconscious activates to record our words in a strong memory pattern that exists in our long-term memory. When we complete the steps of the D.O.N.E method, we create the necessary elements of our inner world to result in our desired future. Of course, for most long-term goals, and especially for dreams, we conduct periodic booster sessions to maintain our forward momentum. We call this reviewing and recognizing progress or achieving milestones along the pathway forward towards our dream or towards our goal. And in fact, failing to complete periodic maintenance, our booster sessions reveals the presence of subconscious self-sabotage. So, between inception and attainment of our dream, we must verify and nurture our thought form by ensuring that we complete a combination of repeating our cognitive exercises we teach here at Better World Zone and sustain physical actions that lead us ever closer to our dream. We expect our desired outcome because we undertake a series of actions that we know hold the highest probability to result in our dream. Metaphorically speaking, we nourish our thought form of our dream so that it grows to maturity most quickly and most healthily. Again, we can compare this to regular periodic maintenance, our inner actions, and our outer actions, which support our thought form en route to our final goal. In another sense, we can compare our D.O.N.E exercise as if gentle encouragement that the money we desire already started to travel to us, and positive affirmation declarations which we write and we speak, as in our intention type positive affirmation, "It's time to live a wealthy life." Help to open our inner mind to receive money in the now time frame. Basically, this suggests to our subconscious that our future started to migrate into today, saying, "It's time for our desire to appear now, today." Proven technique. Again, enlist the help of a mirror. Remember, declaring personalized statements of expectation verbally while looking into our own eyes in a mirror gets the attention of our subconscious in a way that few other things can directly, immediately, and with very clear focus. Some examples include, "I expect to earn more money this year," "I expect to sell a little more next month," and "I expect to live a wealthy life now." Exercises that strengthen expectations. Gratitude. Before we describe recognizable details of our dream, describe 3 things which produce a feeling of appreciation within us. Visualization. Technically, visualization starts with our gratitude warm-up when we recall images of our past. As we start to describe recognizable details of our dream, our visualization activity transitions from recognition visuals into visuals constructed to project a scene at a future time point, as if pulling recognizable data from that future point in time. So, stand in front of the mirror. With eyes closed, imagine receiving the desired level of money. Hold some paper money. Feel the texture of this crisp bill, or a handful of bills, or the weight of coins. What smells exist? Hold this near the ear to hear the sound of fingers rubbing paper bills on other bills or fingers rubbing them. What sounds exist? While doing this, imagine the increased money in our desired future. What new activities did this increased level of monetary abundance enable doing? Why does this work so effectively? Because this mental activity creates thought forms which resonate with our future world. This activity establishes an increased pull of our now time toward our desired future time point, as if creating a causality loop that closes with a little stronger bonds with each repeat session we complete. More simply, this activity acts like a magnet to attract into our life similar experiences to the thought form images that we construct in our mind during each session. So ensure to complete desired future visualization sessions regularly. Positive affirmations. Verbalize a factual positive affirmation concerning some level of abundance present now. Then, verbalize a positive affirmation of expectation, such as, I earn money, which proves at least some level of abundance in my life. And I expect to earn more money this year, because I expect to live a wealthy life now. Daily, repeat our chosen, personalized, positive affirmations of expectations long enough to rewrite subconscious paradigms that drive our habits, our base level actions, because expectation involves strategic alignment of our thought paradigms with the outer reality which we desire. Our expectation statements broadcast our readiness to receive increased levels of abundance. They signal our readiness to experience our dream both inwardly and outwardly in physicality. Make a mental note of the following extremely helpful and often overlooked detail. Consider it a nugget of wisdom learned by first-hand experience. We found that it helps to release attachment to an overly specific outcome when envisioning a specific thing by periodically throughout a session, and especially at the end, to state or something better. Why? Because this solidifies an expectation of receiving some form of increase. And this invites increased awareness and recognition of even more opportunities. To summarize, ensure to include these highly valuable concepts in our D.O.N.E method. Warm up by expressing gratitude for some existing abundance now. Take inspired action by describing our dream in a way to align our inner world to focus on our goal. Visualize the act of experiencing our dream. Trust the universe. Start positive affirmations of intention with the words, "It's time." Start positive affirmations of expectation with the words, "I expect." Leverage the advantage of a mirror to activate and to focus the powerful eidetic mind of our subconscious. Whenever possible, verbalize both positive affirmations of intention and positive affirmations of expectation while looking directly eye to eye at ourselves in a mirror. This action imprints our words into the eidetic mind of our subconscious with direct focus. Trust our subconscious to find abundance that we can recognize consciously so that we can make it tangible. Release attachment to overly specific outcomes by verbalizing or something better. Take inspired action to align our outer physical world to focus on our goal. Complete physical actions which move our world closer to living our dream. Remember, life involves a journey, and acquiring money involves more than merely a metaphorical destination. The D.O.N.E method's processes help to align our thoughts and our actions with abundance already existing everywhere. We should use specific examples unique to us at an individual level. We should trust our intuition, remain positive, include a little fun, and believe in the power of rewriting our subconscious paradigms to find abundance for us to manage in this universe. By applying this knowledge regularly, we strengthen multiple connections to our most abundant life, including surplus money and many other forms of prosperity. These exercises involve building access to an increasingly larger portion of our own potential. At its core, attracting more money involves overriding our baseline thoughts with thoughts that incorporate abundance as a new baseline. As we implement the D.O.N.E method, we project waveforms of abundance that radiate outward. And in this activity, we close loops of our positive energy of abundance. We close thought form energy loops between our thought forms today and our physical reality at a future time point. Better World Zone's valuable insights help to re-energize our journey by refocusing our daily thoughts and actions. The activities we teach here increase our momentum in merging our outer world with our inner world. To this end, Better World Zone provides valuable insights to accelerate all of us on our pathway to success. So, to maintain forward momentum and to unlock even more abundance, we invite everyone to hit the like button, which actually shows your subconscious that you see value in this, like saying, "Pay attention." Leave a comment with constructive thoughts about how to apply these principles of success in our lives, because every like and constructive comment helps to empower others to recognize additional opportunities in their lives. For more tips on financial manifestation and other types of manifestation, subscribe to Better World Zone to receive notifications of Better World Zone's new videos with our treasure trove of resources to propel you on your journey to greater abundance and success. Until next time, radiate that inner light. Shine brightly, beautiful souls. We build our world.